My name is Jeff Bracken. I'm the Manager of Distribution Operations for Hydro Ottawa. Today we've sent 15 people down to a suburb of New York City called Spring Valley, and they are expecting a nor'easter winter storm, which I'm sure Canadians can appreciate is a large winter storm. It's going to be ice, snow, rain, hail. There's going to be storm surges from the ocean. It's anticipated it's going to knock out power to thousands and thousands of customers, and we're on our way down before the storm hits so that we're ready to, restore power as soon as possible. They're anticipating some long days and some dirty weather, but they're more than ready for the challenge. The phone rang, we answered the call, and we're going down to help our U.S. friends.
I'm Joseph Muglia. I'm the Director of Distribution Operations here with Hydro Ottawa. Answering the call to mutual aid is extremely important for the company, mostly because it strengthens our place in the overall utility community. It allows us to respond to our fellow utilities around, and that strengthens our bond with them so that when we have a similar issue, they would respond to us.